When I was 17 years old, a car crash nearly took my life. I was told I would never walk again, but I didn't accept that. Knowing how fragile life is, I told myself each day, Jeff, you have to make every second count. Slowly, I got back on my feet. Now, my mission is to help other people do the same. As a motivational speaker, I inspire and equip youth and corporate professionals through speaking and training services. I offer tools to help people become resilient, determined, build a positive mindset, and successfully adapt to change. If you're a youth leader or event planner, my motivational talks will teach your group how to eliminate stress, fear, and burnout and live life to the fullest. Contact me today to book me for your next event.